Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the keypad, the dialer, because this is the place where we'll enter all of those codes. And let me begin with probably I think the most interesting one, because you can check the components of your device and at the same time have fun. So let's open the testing mode, and the code for it is *#0 *#. And as I said, we are in a testing mode, so here we can check our device actually. So for example, by using red, green or blue option, we can check if the screen is working perfectly fine. So let me show you. After tapping on red, and believe me that it is like bloody red. I know that here it looks like orange, but it is not. So the red is displayed all across the screen because thanks to this you can check if the screen works perfectly fine. So if you cannot find any missing spots, like white spots somewhere here, it means that your screen works. The same situation with the green, you can check the spots here, the blue, so if you cannot find any, it means that it works. Here you can check the vibrations also, for example, so if you will tap on it and if you can feel the vibration, it means that it works, of course. You've got also the touch option. And here you have to draw the lines all across those rectangles and squares. And if you can see the line and the green color after that, it means that those edges and those areas of the screen are working. So as you can see, we have to draw all across the screen to check if it is working. And if it will work, then you will be able to automatically just go back to this option, to this step. So I really highly recommend to stay here, just have fun with those options, and at the same time check if your device is working. So if you want to get back, you have to double click if you're using 3 buttons navigation, or just repeat the gesture of backing to get back. So that was it for the testing mode, and now let me show you another code which is also quite short, and it will open the email number of this device, and it is *#06#. And as I said, by this code you are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me actually show you another code, and it is responsible for opening the battery status, and the code is *O228#. And as I said, we are in the battery status. So here, for example, we can check the current value, the voltage of the battery, the level, or the average value. So let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the USB settings, and it is *0808#. And as I said, we are in the USB settings, so here you've got some modes which are connected to the USB. Of course, you can change them. Just tap on the one you'd like to use and tap on OK. Here, by tapping on reboot, you will be able to restart your device. So let me get back and let me show you the code which will open the firmware version. And the code is quite easy to remember because it is *1234#. And as I said, we are in the version, so here we can check the APCP or the model of this device. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the advanced firmware version. And the code is *2663#. And as I said, we've got some more info about the firmware version. So here we've got also, for example, the Wi-Fi version and a Bluetooth version. So quite technical info, I would say. So now I can show you the last code, which will open the service mode, and it is *0011#. And as I said, here we've got the service mode. So again, it's a very technical code, and as you can see, we've got the basic information. The SIM state is not ready. It is because I do not have my SIM card inserted, but no worries, if you will have yours, then you will be able to check some details. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.